Now welcome to the next phase. After designing the video ad campaigns using the skippable ads, now I will take up the bumper ads. As I already explained that bumper ads are non-skippable ads and the duration of these ads is less than 6 seconds. Now actually this is the way to show your ads to your target audience when you want that they should not skip your ads. So now quickly show me that how to design the video ad campaigns using the bumper ads. From video campaign dashboard, select bumper ads and continue. Here most of the things are self-explanatory in nature. I will not explain them again. If you have any confusion, then you may go back to the previous videos of this module for any clarification. The bidding strategy here is target CPM. That means you are going to pay for per 1000 impressions of your ads. Set a budget according to your plans. We have the same settings for networks, language and location that we have discussed in the skippable ads. Next we have the content exclusions. Use these options to exclude the content where you don't want to show your ads. Next we have the ad group. We know that ad groups are used for targeting the audience. Target your audience on the basis of demographics, types of audience, keywords, topics, placements and so on. Set the bid amount here. Finally, this is the place where we will design our bumper ad. Here again, first you have to upload your video to the YouTube and then copy the URL and paste it here. Make sure your ad is under 6 seconds. Your video is added and you can see it in the preview section. There is no skip button on it. Give the final URL. I am just giving the name of my website. Make the display URL here by adding a few random words related to your ads. Here add the companion banner for the desktop ads. This time I will show you how to make the companion banner by uploading the customized images. Before uploading, make sure the dimensions of images are 300 by 600 pixels. There are many online tools to resize the images. The links are given in the description. Choose the file from your computer. See, in the preview section, it's now visible, but it will not be shown on Google Video Partners and the mobile phones. Finally, give any name to the ad and save it. Your bumper ad is ready. Next we have the non-skippable ads. The process to design the non-skippable ad is same that we have followed for the skippable ads and bumper ads. There is only one difference, and that difference is about the duration of ads. The duration of ads here should be between 7 to 15 seconds. Please try to design the non-skippable video campaigns at your own. If you have any query, just post it in the discussion forum. Next we have the outstream ads. As I already explained, outstream ads are not for YouTube. These ads are mobile and tablet specific and appear on Google partner sites and apps outside the YouTube. Users can tap to play your video ad or easily scroll past when reading the latest news or shopping for the products. Let us see how to design outstream ads. Click Continue. Now notice here, for these types of ads, the bidding strategy is viewable CPM, which is set as a default. Now what is viewable CPM? With viewable CPM, you set the amount that you are willing to pay for every 1000 times your ad is shown in a viewable position. An ad is counted as viewable when 50% of your ad shows on screen for 2 seconds or longer. Not clear? Let me explain it again. There is difference between impression and viewable impression. Impression is counted when your ad is served in the browser of the user and you will be charged for that. But we are not sure whether the user has viewed our ad or not. If we think rationally, then we should be charged only when user would actually view our ad. It's only possible with the eye tracking technology to establish that user has viewed our ad. But Google has developed one metric in this regard. Your ad will be considered as viewable when 50% of your ad will run on screen for 2 seconds or longer. I will skip all the steps of campaign design and will directly go to the ad designing. Paste the URL of your ad here. See in the preview section, it will be only visible in the Google Video Partners. Here it says that outstream ads play automatically on mute in places like the top of the page or within the article text. Here it says that outstream ads play automatically on mute in places like the top of the page or within the article text on the mobile devices. Viewers can unmute, dismiss ads in app, or scroll to skip. Outstream ads are designed to drive the brand awareness and help you to reach more people. From here, you can set the thumbnail. The thumbnail is nothing. This is the frame or part of the video which you want should be visible when the video is in still mode. Give the headline up to 80 characters. Give the description under 100 characters. You can see the live preview of your ads as well. Give a call to action. Set the logo of your ad from here. This is the place where your logo will appear. The dimension of logo should be 200 by 200 pixel. See here, your logo is added. Give the final URL, and this is the final preview of your ad. Give any name to it and save it. So we have completed the process of video ad campaign designing using the bumper ads and the outstream ads. So just try to create few dummy campaigns using bumper and the outstream ads, and that way you will learn more about these type of campaigns. So in the next video, I will talk about the ad sequence. Just be there.